Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is YouTube pre-roll ads cost. Let's start. YouTube has evolved into one of the most influential platforms for marketing and advertising. With over 2 billion locked in monthly users, it offers a massive audience that advertisers can tap into. One of the popular advertising formats on YouTube is pre-roll ads, which play before a viewer's chosen video content. In this guide, we will delve into the factors that influence the cost of YouTube pre-roll ads, how they are priced, and strategies to optimize your ad budget effectively. Understanding YouTube pre-roll ads. YouTube pre-roll ads are video advertisements that appear before the start of a user's chosen video content. They typically last for a few seconds to a minute and can't be skipped until a specific time threshold is reached. These ads are a part of YouTube's monetization program, which allows creators to earn revenue through ad placement on their videos. Factors influencing YouTube pre-roll ad cost. Several factors influence the cost of running pre-roll ads on YouTube. Ad format. YouTube offers different ad formats, including skippable and non-skippable pre-roll ads. Non-skippable ads are generally more expensive since viewers can't skip them. Ad length. Longer ads tend to be costlier. Advertisers are charged per view, and a longer ad consumes more of the viewer's time, making it more valuable. Target audience. YouTube allows advertisers to target their ads based on demographics, interest, and user behavior. Targeting a specific audience can affect cost, as highly targeted ads may be more expensive. Bidding strategy. Advertiser can choose between cost per view and cost per mile bidding strategies. CPV charges you when a viewer watches a significant portion of your ad, while CPM charges per 1000 ad impressions. CPV is common for pre-roll ads. Ad placement. The position of your ad within a video can affect cost. For example, an ad that plays before a highly popular video may cost more than one that appears before less popular content. Ad timing. The timings of your ad campaign can also impact cost. Running ads during peak viewing times or during specific events can be more expensive. Average cost. On average, YouTube pre-roll ads can cost anywhere from 0.10 to 0.30 per view. However, these costs can vary significantly based on the factors mentioned above. High demand industries and competitive keywords may drive up cost. Budget considerations. To create an effective budget for your YouTube pre-roll ad campaign, define your goals. Determine when you want to achieve with your ad campaign, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or product sales. Set a daily or lifetime budget. Decide how much you are willing to spend per day or over the course of your campaign. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor the performance of your ads. If they are delivering the desired result, consider adjusting your budget, targeting, or ad creatives. Test and optimize. A/B test different ad creatives, targeting options, and bidding strategies to find the most cost-effective approach. ROI tracking. Measure the return on investment of your ad campaign to ensure it aligns with your marketing objectives. Conclusion. YouTube pre-roll ads are a powerful tool for reaching a vast online audience. While they can be cost-effective advertising option, the price you pay depends on various factors. Understanding these factors and carefully planning your campaign can help you make the most of your advertising budget on YouTube. In conclusion, YouTube pre-roll ads offer a versatile and effective way to promote your brand or products to a massive online audience. By understanding the factors that influence the cost of these ads and implementing a well thought out advertising strategy, you can maximize your reach and achieve your marketing goals on the platform.